Hello friends, good morning. Today we start in chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. Exercise 3.1, question number 2. Please see here. The coach of the cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. हमें क्वेश्चन में पहले समझना है क्या दिया है और हमें क्या फाइंड करना है। तो इसमें है क्रिकेट टीम के कोच के उसके पास 3 बैट और 6 बॉल, उसके प्राइस है रुपीज 3,900. There are two variables. One variable is bat, another variable is ball. The cost of one bat is rupees X and the cost of one ball is rupees Y. तो एक इक्वेशन मिलेगा और सेकंड में है another bat means one bat and 3 more balls for rupees same kind for rupees 1300. ओके, तो दो इक्वेशन हमारे पास है और इसको हम एल्जेब्रिकली और ज्योमेट्रिकली हमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ओके, यहाँ पे दो वेरिएबल है बैट एंड बॉल. Let the cost of a one bat is rupees X and the cost of a one ball is rupees Y. Therefore, the first equation is 3 bats and 6 balls, that is equal to 3,900. That is equal to 3x plus 6y is equal to rupees 3,900. The whole equation is divisible by 3. Therefore, x plus 2y is equal to 1,300. That equation 1 divisible by 3. Therefore, x plus 2y is equal to 1,300. Therefore, 2y is equal to 1,300 minus x. 2y is equal to 1,300 minus x. Therefore, y is equal to 1,300 minus x divided by 2. Y is equal to 1,300 minus x divided by 2. Substitute. Draw the table. First, substitute x is equal to 100. 1,300 minus 100 divided by 2, that is equal to 600. इसमें वैल्यू बड़ी है तो हमें 0, 1, 2, 3 ऐसे वैल्यू नहीं लेनी है, हमें 100 के मल्टीपल में वैल्यू लेनी पड़ेगी. इसीलिए x is equal to 100. 1,300 minus 100, 1,200 divided by 2, that is 600. 200 का गैप होना चाहिए, 100 के बाद हम 300 और 500, 700 लिख सकते हैं. तो 700 लिया. 1,300 minus 700 divided by 2, that is equal to 300. And next one is 1,300. 1,300 minus 1,300, y is equal to 0. Similarly, next equation is another bat and 3 more balls. Another bat means one bat x plus 3 more balls means 3y is equal to 1,300. X plus 3y is equal to 1,300. Therefore, 3y is equal to 1,300 minus x. 3y is equal to 1,300 minus x. Therefore, y is equal to 1,300 minus x divided by 3. Substitute value in this table x and y form. Substitute x equal to 100. Therefore, y is equal to 1,300 minus 100 means 1,200 divided by 3. That is equal to 400. X is equal to 700. 1,300 minus 700 means 600 divided by 3. That is equal to 200. And x is equal to 1,300 minus 1,300, that is equal to 0. 0 divided by 3, answer is equal to 0. Substitute all these values in table 1 and table 2 in this graph of xy plane. First graph is 100 and 600, 100 and 600, second 700 and 300, and last one 1,300 and 0. That equation is x plus 2y is equal to 1,300. Another equation 100 and 400, 100 and 400, 700 and 200, 700 and 200, and last one 1,300 and 0. Here both solutions are common, therefore both lines intersecting at point 1,300 and 0. Therefore the line intersecting at point xy is 1,300 and 0. Therefore bat price, the cost of a one bat is 1,300 and cost of a one ball is rupees 0. मीन्स डेट के साथ हमें बोल क्या मिलता है, फ्री मिलता है, उसका मीनिंग ये होता है द कॉस्ट ऑफ द वन बॉल डेट इज ₹1300 and the cost of the one ball is ₹0. Next question number 2. The cost of the 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes in a day on a day was found to be ₹160. After a month, the cost of a 4 kg apples and 2 kg of grapes is ₹300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. तो पहले हमें क्वेश्चन समझना है, क्वेश्चन में क्या था। इसमें 2 kg एप्पल एंड 1 kg ग्रेप्स की प्राइस है ₹160। तो यहाँ पे दो वेरिएबल होंगे। फर्स्ट वन इज प्राइस ऑफ एप्पल एंड kgs of apple and another variable is grapes. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमने गैस कर दिया है the cost of 1 kg apple is ₹X and the cost of the 1 kg grapes is ₹1. There are two variables. Another cost of 4 kg and 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is ₹300. Okay, in equation 1, first let the cost of 1 kg apples is ₹X and cost of the 1 kg grapes is ₹Y. So 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes, that is equal to 2x plus y is equal to 160. And another equation is 4x, 4 kg apples is 4x plus 2 kg grapes, that is equal to 300. 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. This equation is divisible by 2, that is 2x plus y is equal to 150, that is divisible by 2. And this one is 2x plus y is equal to 160. First you convert the equation is in y form. Y is equal to 160 minus 200. Substitute value in this form. X is equal to suppose x is equal to 20. 2 into 20, that is equal to 40. 160 minus 40, that is 120. Another value x is equal to 40. 160 minus 80, that is equal to 80. And x is equal to 60, 2 into 60, 120, 160 minus 150, that is equal to 40. So similarly here, 2x plus y is equal to 150, y is equal to 150 minus 2x. Similarly, x is equal to 20, y is equal to 150 minus 20 to the 40, that is 110. X is equal to 40 to the 80, 150 minus 80, that is equal to 70. And x is equal to 60 to the 120, 150 minus 120, that is equal to 30. Both table value in this form in a graph paper, on the graph paper. So that one is 20 into 120, 20 and 120. Second one 40 and 80. And last one is 60 and 40. Okay? And draw the graph. Line is 2x plus y is equal to 60. 20 and 110, 20 and 110, 40 and 70, 40 and 70, 60 and 30, 60 and 30. Both lines do not intersect at any point. We can easily say that here 2x plus y is equal to 160. Here 2x plus y is equal to 150. Ratio of a1 by a2 is 1. b1 by b2 is also 1. But c1 by c2 is not equal to 1, is 16 by 15. Therefore, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. That means an inconsistent solution. Therefore, both lines are parallel to each other. There is no solution. Therefore, the above graph represents that the lines are parallel. Therefore, the solution has not possible. Both lines are parallel. That is no solution. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.